So this rechargeable headlamp scent is one of the best things I got from my husband. He is so impressed with this, and let me tell you a little bit about it. So I have it on right now. I'm gonna go outside. It's dark, and we live in a really wooded area, so you'll be able to see how it illuminates a really dark area. But the nice thing about this is that it adjusts different positions so that depending on what you're doing, it's adjustable. It has rechargeable batteries. So it comes in a 2-pack. And so we have 2 of these, but it comes with these rechargeable batteries. You just open this little area, and these are the batteries that it comes with. And then when you want to charge it, all you have to do, it has this, on the other side, it has this little input area where you put the USB-C cord in there. So it comes with a USB-C connector, no charging block. So if you need a charging block, you'll want to pick one up. And it says right here, LED headlight. And this is adjustable. You can see, here's a strap, it adjusts. And so for different head sizes, it has really nice elastic strap, a nice thick strap, and it's adjustable on all sides. And the way you control it is all you have to do is press this top right button right here. I'm inside a lit area, so you can see right here, that's the lower level, which is pretty bright. And then this is the even more brighter level, and then it has a strobe effect. So really nice. It's really comfortable to wear because it's adjustable and it's stretchy, really comfortable to wear on. So, and it's nice because it's so stretchy, you can put it on over a hat or anything like that. Or if you have a lot of hair, you can put it on over that. So it's great for hiking, camping, working in the yard. My husband uses it when he goes in the yard at night or he's working outdoors at night, and this is very helpful. So I'm gonna go outside so you can see how it really illuminates a dark area. This thing is so bright and it's so impressive. All right, so now I am outside and I'm gonna show you what it looks like illuminated. So this is how, you see how I went just from very dark? You see how I went from very dark to it just illuminates that whole area, and there's less, it's like less bright, and then there's strobe. But this is impressive. So, I mean, it was pretty dark out here, and it's just lighting up the whole area. You could just see, I mean, really nice. I mean, I can see why my husband loves it. This makes a great Father's Day gift. Any type of gift for anyone that's outdoorsy, spends a lot of time outdoors, especially at night, needs some light, working on a car, working in the yard, camping, hiking, what have you. Definitely recommend this. This is a really good buy. My husband loves it.